Hi, I'm Mrs. Spink. I teach middle school math. Welcome to a quick sneak peek into what a PA virtual middle school classroom looks like. Go to First in Math. Get warmed up. We're going to do First in Math for a solid 10 minutes, so make sure you get on there. Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Sage. Good job quickly sharing. What we're doing is using coordinate planes in the real world. So there's going to be some questions here that involve some prior knowledge. So there's some couple things that I need to go over today. All right. What is this called? Anybody in the main room chat? What is this called right here? Yes, it is the origin, because that is where the x-axis and the y-axis crisscross. As you can see, I am reviewing vocabulary with students. They can respond on mic, in group chat, private chat, or feedback, such as these X's you see next to their names. I lost my phone and I need to find it. How can I find it? What direction should I go? If this is me, I'm starting at the origin. What direction? And how many units? I should go east 10. Okay. East 10. And then what? North 6. Very good. North 6. If you're interested in exploring what our school has to offer, be sure to check out the description box below to see if PA Virtual is the right fit for your family.